Hi everyone, I'm Phillip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba Vac Essential robot. This robot's ideal for anyone that's never owned a robot vacuum before, or those of you looking to add a second robot because you have a second story in the home. We'll quickly take a look at what comes inside the box first, and then I'm going to walk you through all the benefits of owning this Roomba. I've taken everything out of the box for the Roomba Vac Essential robot. We've got the Roomba itself to go along with its charging dock and one extra high efficiency filter, plus the quick start guide that's going to help you register and set up your robot. The Roomba Vac Essential robot will provide you with simple but effective cleaning in the home. It'll clean in a grid style cleaning fashion, which means row by row cleaning on all floor types. Plus, with the size of this robot, it'll get in the areas that we often forget about. So it can clean underneath the entertainment center, the couch, the table, and even under the bed. And for those of you wondering with second stories to your home, no, this robot won't be falling downstairs either. You've got multiple different ways where you can get your Roomba Vac Essential robot to start cleaning your home, but all are as simple as one press of the clean button on the robot itself, one tap to the iRobot home app, or one voice command to your favorite voice assistant enabled device. And maybe you just need a quick clean because you brought in some grass or dirt in from outside and don't need to necessarily clean the entire home. Great, pick up the robot itself, bring it near the area you need it to clean, and press the spot clean button right here. To unlock this robot's full potential, please add it to the iRobot home app, as it's super simple to do. This will allow you to tell your Roomba Vac Essential robot to clean on demand from anywhere, set a customized cleaning schedule that fits around your life, and you can even have this robot start vacuuming automatically the moment you leave the house and be back on the charging dock the moment you walk in the front door. Plus, you have multiple different suction power levels available to you. So if you're on a call and need more of a quiet clean, you can do just that. And for those of you that need the extra juice, you can turn the suction power up to maximum. Now remember, this isn't your thing, it's totally okay. Just like with any other iRobot product out there, you can always get started by just pressing the clean button. Alright, I know that was a lot of information, so before we get out of here, let's recap quickly. The Roomba Vac Essential robot will clean in neat rows, get in those hard to reach areas that we often forget about, like under the bed, and will clean on all floor types. Plus, with the iRobot home app, you can tell your Roomba Vac Essential robot when it's time to provide a deeper clean in the home. All of this makes this Roomba the ideal robot for your home. I mean, who doesn't want clean floors with the press of a button? Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.